Okay. Okay.
Okay, so here's the rest of the kitchen. You've got a built-in refrigerator. Again, lots and lots of storage. So we're going to walk into past the family room area. See the pool a little bit outside there. Another fireplace. What I was talking about. Lots of ceiling fans.
And who was the one that interviewed you?
Well, it wasn't Dayline. It was an investigative years ago.
So we're walking into the bedroom that I was talking to you about. Here's that extra bedroom downstairs that I was thinking would be good for Tim. You got your own bathroom here with a tub. And again, walk-in closet. It's probably the smallest of the walk-in closets. Double pane windows. And here's the other side of that office that I was talking to you about that you've already seen.